Although we are both in the Bachelor of Science, majoring in data science program, our experiences are unique and quite different from each other's.
Yes, you're right. For the mornings we focus on to the clubs we join, these all make the difference. We are from different years of program, so our schedule is different. Now I'm attending lectures on optimization.
But I'm currently learning about analytical proficiency. My mornings begin with lectures in fundamental IT concepts. We are expected to ground ourselves with the principles of data science before proceeding to hands-on application. I really like the dynamic blend of theoretical learning, hands-on application, and collaborative exploration.
Data science makes use of mathematical concepts and techniques to make sense of large data sets. And this is where my passion for math converges with my love of technology.
With our world moving into newer technologies such as AI and beyond, data is even more relevant than before.
Where industries such as finance, healthcare, and others rely on data to make informed decisions.
This is where my afternoon begins. Practical sessions let us interact with real-world data sets and hone our programming skills in different computer languages such as Python and R.
We also get to collaborate with different course-mates to experience working in a team to complete IT projects.
Yes, one of my best projects is designing an automated stock analysis tool powered by Excel. While projects are great learning opportunities, some of my best learning experiences are from joining workshops and seminars organized by the university.
That's right, attending events with my friends from different nationality and cultures really allows me to get to know my international friends better. My experience has also been enriched through joining the marketing club and coordinating events to bring students together.
I've made many new friends through events like welcome parties where we get to interact with different students from other courses. So, the day has come to an end, but our learning journey has just begun.
If you'd like to know more about data science at James University, come join us and begin your own learning journey.